guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been watching my videos, you'll see that my truck looks a lot different since my last video. And if you want to keep following, please subscribe, because I will be posting videos about my North Star flatbed and my Smitty built Defender roof rack, which I both love very much. Awesome. They're making the truck look really nice right now. A lift and some tires are going to be one of the next things I'm going to be doing. But this video in particular is going out to Retrofit Source and Ralph, the manager at over there. He really hooked me up and helped me out. At the beginning of the year, I bought the lights when they first started coming out, December, and then I received my first one in February. It was broken. I received 4 more and they were broken. I was told the part was fixed that kept breaking on the lights. The 5th set I got lasted me a week. Since then, they have fixed both issues on the lights, and they wanted to confirm that with me, and then they sent me these lights here. These are going to be custom built lights, so I hope you guys really like them, as well as they sent me some underbody light kits. So let's go ahead and we'll open up the box and see how they look, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so let's check out these lights. So like before guys, like I mentioned, you know, I would rotate it as soon as I bought it, and I could start feeling the plastic moving around inside there, and I don't hear anything. Here is a side-by-side comparison between the two. You can see a huge difference. I think one of the biggest differences that I really like is the all-black look. And the lights themselves remind me of diamonds and crystals. I feel like it's like a Rolls-Royce of lights. You can't compare a BMW with a Rolls-Royce. These are way different in quality, especially even if you were to compare these with some of their $300 copies. You can't do that. It will definitely look a difference in quality for sure, and I can see it. So the comparison here, you obviously got the 3 projectors, and the light itself is actually a nice clean smoky look, and as well as the side right here on the sides. Make sure before you order yours, if you need to call in, have Retrofit change that out. They actually sent it to me in the orange, and I don't prefer the orange. I feel like it changes the quality of the light, and so they can get that switched out for you. They switched that one out for me. Oh, all right, so this is the setup. You have a bolt here, at least for the F250s. You have another bolt right there, and then one more below it. You have those two spots right there. And then you have one more, which is gonna be right there. I can actually get up underneath the bumper and unscrew that one. That's gonna loosen them out. So you have to take off these 2. And one is for the headlights, one is for the turn signal, and then you have one other one. Then you have a couple more in here. Now again, I'm going to have a little bit more wires because, see all these wires here, these are actually for the demon lights. Now the back of each light will have a easy waterproof connector. This one goes into one light, this one goes into the other, and then the other end of this will go to your fuse box. So make sure and do that as well. Actually, you can see it down there. Oops, into the fuse. That is the connection I showed you. This one right here. So you're gonna connect the two wires. That's only if you want a daytime running light. If you don't want the daytime running light, you don't have to plug that in. But what that does is that you would have this off here, and then you can see how bright that light is now. See that? So that is really nice. I really like how bright that is. And then when you turn on the regular lights, then those will dim down a little bit because more power is going to the other lights in the on the light itself. Again, I have demon lights, and I have all three of these lights or demons, and they can actually be turned on at different times and different colors. So your option, you probably won't have these wires. If you just get the regular one, you won't have these wires sticking out, but it's very female to male. Match the white with the white, red with the red, and blue with the blue, so that makes it really easy to install. I love how easy this is, and it doesn't take very long at all. I ran the wires down to the bottom for these ones, and the wire for this wire is a little shorter, so I ran it up at the top for the daytime running light. The reason why I ran these other wires is because, see, these big boxes for the demon lights, these big pieces, I don't really have a whole lot of room, and don't really want them sticking up here where they can probably get smashed or stepped on, you know, because of any kind of work I'm having done on the truck. So yeah, so I'm gonna be zip tying those somewhere up in there, hide them really well. And this one here, I'll undo this and I'll connect it to the other lights right here. The Morimoto app. It does not have very good reviews, but I actually give it 4.5 stars. It's really good for me. One thing is that it does lag a little bit when you go to shut it off. Sometimes it will take a little bit longer. You change the lights, it'll take a little bit longer. I'm not really sure why that is, but it does happen sometimes. You can see here I have all three on the same color, and then you could go ahead and change it. You can fade it in and out. You can see there, fading. Then you can also change the speed so it goes really fast, or same with strobes, you can strobe it. And then you can also go to themes, which these are already pre-programmed themes, and you can do the same thing here. You can have only one projector with a theme, and then the other two can just be completely different, so each projector can be completely different. When you buy the Morimoto projector demon lights, it'll come in a pair, so the two top ones, the two middle one, and then the two bottom ones. They're roughly around $70 a piece. That doesn't include installing. And then you have here, these are some of the ones that I picked out that I like myself. We got the solid. You just push the apply button and then apply to, see, I can apply to 1, 2, or 3, and I'll just go to apply to all, and there you go, boom, and they're all red. So that makes it pretty fun. Same with you know, this one's obviously for Christmas, so I got this one here, apply to all. You got red on top and green. And then you can go to another one. I got, let's see, let's go with this one. Is this a red, white, and blue? Nope, that's all white. That one's, I don't know why I saved favorite on that one. Oh, and this one's all blue. I guess I actually ended up, I had a red, white, and blue one, but it looks like it changed it. Anyways, so that is the app. Very simple to use, very easy to install. It only took me probably about 15 minutes.
As I was putting in the lights, I just connected the projectors in the back, or the connections in the back, and that was it. And there, of course, is the red, white, blue. That'll be a popular one for 4th of July. All green I can use for St. Patrick's Day. I like doing different holidays and stuff like that. It's cool. Now, one other thing, when you go to save, when you put it under favorites, before you press the heart button, you need to make sure that the 1, 2, and 3 all have a white outline. See, if I unclick it, see there's no white outline on it. I wish it was a little bit brighter or a different color so you can see it a little better, but it will only save what you outline. So if you make sure, again, those 3 are all white around the edges, and then you press the save button, the little heart, and then you can go back and you can see here there's red, and green. So that's something to keep in mind that I just noticed, because I was wondering why it wasn't saving properly, and that's because I didn't have each one of these all white. Alright, so I've had the lights for about a month now. They're just like brand new, so I haven't had any issues with them this time, and I definitely would highly recommend them. The 3 projectors right there, nothing has moved, so good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll see you later.